it is our thanks that we have to appreciate each and every one of you for what you guys do, but especially our brother Marial. Thank you so much for being part of Twicmayardit'S every time you join us, and it means a lot from the bottom of our heart. You are a brother, and with me, when I first met you guys in Roma, I accidentally pulled the picture and said it's from Twicmayardit.
Me too.
I was being correct by your cousins, saying, are you stealing our cousins? I apologize to them, but I'm like, me and Marial are brothers. So thank you so much. Also to my brother Ring, thank you so much. I really appreciate the way you guys are teaming up to help our little kids that they are interested in basketball. But with you guys showing them what to do, it's really very inspirational. So I really appreciate each and every one of you. I will pass it to my brother Tim, but thank you all very much.
Thank you so much. I would like to take this time to give thanks to our brother, our Ring. Make sure that your community, Twicmayardit, taking care of you. And as well as the unity. When you see the next brother Marial with Ring, they have a good relationship. I think everybody here, they attend the conference for Twicmayardit. That unity, we need that unity. Let's pray for them, so the door to be open for their wish and for their knowledge. Maybe God continue to help them in the future. God bless you, and we love you as the community of Twicmayardit. Thank you so much.
We're going to give one of them at least 2 minutes, and if they have a statement to make, we will learn from that. Thank you.
Yadi welcome all. More Yadi welcome all. I know Yadi and Saudi for. I think Yadi. I didn't know my own dog. Here in the California. Can you feel Yadi community? Until after 3 years, still. Chami like in Dallas, going to Nebraska, in Bolton, in Pyongyang, Kintree community. The Chami Pyong and if you're cool, what the basketball is very young. The basketball is young, and the basketball. By it. Now, to look at Twicmayardit to be young, and they go with King, but we buy with the Catholic. We think it's very cool. I told Marial for 16 years.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. And I'm Marial the event. And I'm in the room. Lake States. Quadra, White, Arkansas Park. By Panalo Lord. Charware, a bank here in contract signed Chinese with the book. Manajuba la wow. It take by Padalo Lord. About Panay. Okay, Senator I told my China agent. I can talk to you. I won't watch it. But me and Rick, we've been friends, as I said, for about 16 years now. We came from America in 2005 to go to school and play basketball. We attended high school together, we played on the same team. But our friendship started back in Africa, it didn't start here. And we came here and we shared the same court. and we went to the same classes. But we moved on, and I moved on to college. After college, I came back and we reunited here in New York. And 3 years ago, we started going to the same conference. We started in Dallas, went to Nebraska, and came here this year. I don't go to this conference at Yeru or Tweet or Moinjang. I come to this conference as a Sudanese, as a South Sudanese. As you all can see here today, this is not on the street. All different kind of tribes and backgrounds come to this conference every year since I started going. But you can treat it up. You can Sudan. The knowledge that we have in terms of the sports, we try to share with the kids so they can see that they have other people that went before them and follow the same path. A sport is a great tool for you to chase the dream that you want to achieve. We got a scholarship to go to school since we were in high school. We never paid for school until after college. That opportunity was brought by sport. Also, sport teach you teamwork, unity, and cooperation. And these are three main things that we as people, not only South Sudanese, but people in general, if you want to prosper or you want to be successful in a group setting, in the society, you will have to cooperate with other people. You also have to understand other people's points of view. That's why sport is so important in the community, because it teaches our young kids how to cooperate, and it teaches our young kids how to work in a group setting and how to work with other people. That's why we come here every year to try to instill that in these young kids so that they know what teamwork means, so they know what community means. That's why we come here every year. We don't do it for Tweet, we do it for South Sudan. I would like to talk more, but for the interest of time, I would like to say thank you to Twicmayardit'S community, and thank you to all the Sudanese that came here today to celebrate this event. Like I tell you all the time, at this very weekend, every year, and it's in Monyeru, I'm Twicmayardit'S on this very weekend, every year. So you guys adopt it on this weekend every year, so I only have 2-3 days to be Twicmayardit'S, but also I'm a South Sudanese, and I'm proud to be here, and I'm glad I'm here. So thank you so much for the opportunity. Thank you.
As he said it, I am here because I'm South Sudanese. So therefore, as South Sudanese Twicmayardit'S community members or another communities, let's share our ideas, our opinions, our commitment, and then at the end of the day, we're going to get somewhere. Thank you, goodbye. You can have a seat right now. Monkade.